Yeah. And it is filming right now.
All I said was to watch this video.
And she gonna leave and say nothing. I said hello.
Hello.
You can't.
Okay, what's going on watching the video at 3 o'clock in the morning? I'm just gonna sleep. I'm tired of the love. This girl here got me staying up watching some R. Kelly. Got me up here at some 3 o'clock. 3:11. What do I look like watching Disney at 3:11 in the morning? I'm dead serious. Look at this. Look at the dude on the bowl, man.
That's my broccoli.
You see the face? This is my tired face. I'm not supposed to be up until 3 o'clock in the morning. Shoot. Get your ready to wash her. And the water's not hot. That's too hot.
Maybe
my nail polish come off.
Maybe you should talk about you going to somebody's house.
Huh?
Talk about going to somebody's house.
Oh yeah. Went over to Neil's house. Yeah. And he was talking to some girl named Ashley. And he was talking about SpongeBob. And she got happy. I can see it right now through her underwear. Why are you laughing, you girl? It's not funny. It's nasty. Got on a single shirt. Now the water's cold. What? Smoke a joint right about now, I'm not kidding.
Oh my
God. So you got some bread in this house, right? How do you have bread and no meat? No. That's not right. What else? Got 3 little cookies over there on those tables. Some nasty cookies. Look like they got some voodoo.
Because you lactose intolerant don't mean nothing.
I'm not talking to you.
I don't care how I look right now, but I'll let a bitch know. If she wants that shit, let me know. Alright, back to her.
So, I was at Ashley's house, right? And I walked over to her room. She was playing with herself. I said, oh, hey, no. You gotta stop this. Flip the covers back. See this big old dude right under the covers. And guess who it was? Guess who it was?
I ain't gonna guess.
Guess who it was? He was black.
He was what?
He was black.
Duh.
He had glasses. He had no clothes on at all.
Black with
Looking plate.
Black with glasses.
Harriet Clinton in this hole. He was black. His fat had 2-tone lips. He was big.
Glasses? Where did glasses come from?
Sunglasses. And he had 2-tone lips. And I remember seeing him in the mall. And I just couldn't remember his name, you know, because he looked so familiar, and it was that David Ashley. And I said, Ashley, who is this hoe? She said, it's none of your damn business, don't worry about it. telling me to get out of her room. And then I remembered his name, and I started to cry. Because I can't believe her. Like, how could she do this to me? And you know who it was? Who it was?
My imaginary friend.
She did the nigga. She did fix good. She begged him. He gave her a little of this, she gave him a little of that.